Hey guys, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm here with a beautiful 12-piece bridal kit for you guys. I really love this. It's so gorgeous. You can see that some of these beautiful laces are from various wedding gowns. Some are antique and vintage. They're all beautiful. You can see this one here, just gorgeous. And there's a couple that do not have beading on them, but they are antique laces from a wedding dress, and they're beautiful Alison type laces for your crafting or your journals or however you want to use them. They're just absolutely beautiful. I love them all so much. So you're going to get 12 pieces, like I said, in this kit. The kit is $18 plus shipping. So I need you to send me your email email me first, send me your email and your address so I can figure out the shipping. My email's down below in the description box. You're also going to get this big long piece of fabric from the bottom of one of the wedding gowns as well. So you can see it's a really good kit, and yeah, I think it's going to be great for all your crafting. So give me a shout. My email's below. The kit is $18 plus shipping. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys very soon with more kits and goodies to come in the Etsy store. Take care. Bye for now.